Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you, a bright, fun, colorful tutorial like a summer sunrise, and it's using a new palette to me. I didn't haul this palette, but I did recently purchase the BhCosmetics Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette. I've been eyeing this for a year. It went on sale and I picked this up for $13. Right now they're having a summer sale right now, and you can pick this palette up for $11. Super pigmented, amazing. I'm loving it so far. So that's Covergirl Lid Lockup. I prime my eyes. I have powder to catch fallout. The first shade I'm picking up from the eyeshadow palette is called Karma, and I'm taking this on a dense crease brush, and I'm patting that in the outer corner, and I'm patting that in my crease against the orbital bone. I am going to bring it up a bit higher than the orbital bone, and I'm really going to pack this shade on. I really really am. I work on it for a while, and it's not that it's not pigmented, but I like to do my eyeshadow in stages, like I always mention, like salt and pepper. It's easy to add a little and you'll be able to take away versus dumping the whole thing in the pot, and you can't take all that away. So we're going to buff against the edges of that shade, and on a large fluffy blending brush I'm going to be picking up the shade Flower. This is a yellow shade, so what we're doing with this shade is buffing it against the edges of Karma, which is a reddish orange shade. So what we're going to do with the Flower shade, the yellow shade, we are buffing against the edges of Karma, and we're going to blend those two together. Now once they're blended, you're going to notice that the middle shade in between the Karma shade and Flower is making an orange shade. Obviously, color theory, they're going to blend together, they're going to make orange. So we have like a red, orange, and yellow fade going on. This is e.l.f.'s Loose Mineral Eyeshadow in Innocent, and I'm using that for a highlight shade because I just did not want a shimmery shade in my highlight area. I wanted a matte one, and I'm going to buff over that so the highlight shade is blended in with the crease. These shades blend so nicely. It's crazy how they blend. They're so pigmented. They blend so amazing. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm in love with this palette. So this is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer. We literally cut the crease with that, and I'm blending that out with a brush, blending it out with my finger, just so it's not wet and, you know, starts to crease. The shade I'm picking up for the lid is called Stunt, and it's like an icy kind of pink peachy shade. Very beautiful as well. Super metallic, and I'm applying that wet, and I used Believe Beauty setting spray for that, and I'm just going to brush that with a flat lid brush onto my lid, my cut crease area. I think this is such a beautiful look. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So we're going to go back in with Karma in our outer corner. We're going to build that up and blend that in with the Stunt shade. We're also going to crisp up our cut crease line on both eyes. And we're going to wipe away our fallout. NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, big surprise. I'm going to put that in the inner corner, blend that out, and the shade we're placing on top of that for our inner corner highlight is called Icey, and that's also from the palette. Very bright, blinding, shimmery white shade. So beautiful. I know I'll say this about all the looks I do with this palette probably, but I'm really loving this eyeshadow palette. I wish I was got my hands on it a lot sooner than a year later because it's really nice. So here you're going to see me put Karma on my lower lash line about halfway in. I'm really going to build that up, and then you're going to see me pick up Flower on the same brush and apply that in the center towards the inner corner as well. Blend them all together. Because they're so close in color family, they're going to blend nicely anyways, but the formulation, same formula, helps a lot. So we're going to tightline with Jordana's Black Point Eyeliner Pencil. And in our waterline, we're doing something different. If you've never placed shadows in your waterline, be forewarned, this probably will burn if you're new to this technique, but it will go away. So I'm taking a Santee gel eyeliner in yellow, and then I'm applying the Flower shade on top of that to set it. Now this is Believe Beauty's Extend Mascara. This mascara is a really great, cheap mascara. It's $4 mascara at Dollar General. Really good. I love how it lengthens and separates. It looks awesome. Now, because the look is so loud, we're using Maybelline's Nude Lust, and I wanted to share with you my manicure because isn't that so adorable? I usually don't wear my nails very long, but I've been wearing these for like a week. So beautiful. So that's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and will try it out for yourselves. Maybe it intrigued you to go and buy the BhCosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. Either way, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the bright, colorful summer look. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check that description box for additional links as well as a product list. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.